Hello, this is my video and I am making my good luck. So this is my house piggy bank. So right here we put the money and we save when we need. We do like this, okay? So we will put some decorating sheets. So let's start to put on some sheets right here. Sheet we gonna put on right here on S2, okay? Now we are applying the glue on it. Do dabba do, 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 do dabba do. There. Now we are putting on the side. Okay. Now we are putting on the other side. Okay. Now we are putting this side. Now we are putting on the sheet. Okay. So let's spread it. Yoink. Yoink. Hey. Glue on my hand. You do. Okay. So this is I am putting on the sheet and it's gonna be sticked. Okay, time to stick it. Going. The glue is now we gonna put the same color sheet in the other side. The blue color. Boo 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 boo. Okay. We put both sides the same color sheet. Now we're gonna put right here and right here. Okay? Now we are already put the sheet. Now we have to put some pressure. Dee 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 da 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 dee dee da da dee da dee. Now we put right here the sheet. Now we're gonna put some glue. Then we will spread. Then we will put the sheet. Okay, it's time for us. Helpy time. And when the helpy time. Then in the helpy time. My. There. Now there is the sheet. Now I gonna spread and there. Yeehaw! 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 There. There's the last applying glue. Now my sticky hands are done. Now put some beep dob, dobby dob, beep dob, beep dob, beep dob, beep deep. Done. Now we are putting the roof. We put the what's time to spread? We're gonna put the window and the door. So we're gonna put the window. Why is very gluey? Sure. The door. This is done. So look at this. It's very soft now. By putting the sheets, it's really soft and it's never gonna be Sudhi. Okay.